Hello kids, welcome to Jashwin TV. Let's learn L letter vocabulary. L for lion. 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 L for lamb. Lamp. Lamb. Lamb. L for leaf. 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 L for lady. 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 L for lips. 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 L for lemon. 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 L for lock. 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 L for log. 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 L for lotus. 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 L for letter. 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 L for lap. Lamb. Lap. Lap. L for lizard. 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 Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV